All right, we're doing a remote start alarm on a 2012 Toyota Camry. This is a quick installation because it has a T-harness and it's supposed to be plug and play. 5X10 is the module. Adam is gonna be doing that for us. Okay guys, this is what we're gonna be putting into the Toyota. So this is a 5X10. This is a remote start and security upgrade for our OEM setup. So all-in-one digital remote starter security platform. Keyless entry, security, 3x lock. This is what I'm using it for, 3x lock start. These two options right here. To have the remote start for the OEM capability. You can add remote controls to this and you can add a smart start device later on if you'd like. You don't have to. So this is what's inside of this box. We got a siren. We got all the harnesses just like a normal remote start. I mean normal alarm system would have. But we're not going to utilize that for that because we just want the 3-lock start. And some of you are probably saying, why would you not install a security system if it comes with it? One, it takes more time, and two, the customer didn't pay for it, so time is money. This is the T-harness. This will allow us to make this work 10 times faster. Capability pretty much has the vehicle end plugs in there, the vehicle end plugs back here, and then this goes to the alarm system. Cool. So this is the stuff we're going to use to make that remote start work. I'll show you guys everything. Also, we have the printout. When you're directed, it tells you. So the T-harness, OEM connection, blah blah blah. Simple. And then this will tell you how to program it, and this will tell you how to program it. Really simple, guys. So as you come along with me in this journey, we're going to be doing the remote start. Hopefully you guys like this. This is cool. Everybody likes the remote start, so I know you guys are gonna like it too. Alright guys, looks like the Toyota is ready to go. It's working. We got that 3-lock remote start. Okay guys, so right now this is the factory remote. See that lock? Okay, so now if I want to start the car, I'm gonna hit it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Bam. That's it. And then when you're ready to go in, you come into your car, you unlock the door, and you jump in. That's the 3-lock start for the factory remote. I'm glad you guys were able to see how we put it in. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. If you guys need any, if you guys would like one, please call me or hit me up in the DMs. Don't. We got a Honda Accord with some door locks, which is going to be taken care of by Acosta Customs. So we're going to replace the front 2 doors.
Are you sure?
So it looks like my buddy already took apart the doors. Now he's getting ready to set the motors. See or no?
See.
That looks cool. So Lewis right here is still putting on the door lock. He's now doing the other side. Let's put the door back together. Damn, Lewis is a badass. We asked the customer if he wants to change the factory speakers, but he was like, nah. It's a brand new car, he said. Well, it looks like we got a 2018 Chevy Silverado. We're gonna do a sound system, but not a big sound system. We're just gonna be adding an amp for bass, including a box, high to low adapter, which allows you to get the signal from the original radio. Because it does have the factory radio, we need that adapter. Cool, so here we go. Amp installation, basic setup for bass. Can't get any more basic than that, but we'll take you along on the ride. All right, so right now, as we start the project, he wants to put the woofers inside the box just to make it easier, get that out of the way. So they finished the Silverado. Wasn't there to watch it finish, but they already put the woofers in. Customers taking delivery. So I believe factory radio, right? The amplifiers are behind the seat here, and then we already put the woofers in the new box right here. That's the old box. And yeah, so she's pretty much done.
I've been drinking, no driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. You hold my phone and won't leave me alone. I'm Blanco, Coca Patron. I'm on Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been drinking, no driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. If you hold my phone and won't leave me alone.
So it sounds really good. You got bass. Now it's time to say goodbye to that one. Adios.
Coca Patron. I've been drinking, I'm driving while texting and speeding. I swear that I ain't going home. I'm on that Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron, Coca Patron. I've been hiding my soul, so no eyes on my scope. I'm hiding hopes in it.
This boy gonna do a radio. Quick one, dog. Quick one. It's already 7 o'clock. Look at this. Factory radio. We're about to swap it out. It's a goner, son. Adios. Adios. We're gonna put in the Pioneer radio. Pioneer is gonna be the AVH 210. And then we got a kit harness, all that good stuff. It's pretty late. It's the last car. Maybe I should have took it in, but you know, it's for the homie. So they already finished the radio. As you can see right here, the radio's installed, nice and neat, but the stereo control don't work. But everything else is good. So it's pretty much your basic touchscreen, Bluetooth, mechless unit. It's gonna give you all the stuff you need. Cool. Ford Escape is out and about. All right, guys, I want to say comment, like, subscribe. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. What's up, people? I hope you enjoyed that video. I made it in the amounts of a couple of days, had a couple of different projects. I like the new way the platform is working as far as trying to stick with the same vehicle within the same amount of time from start to finish. It's really hard for me to do that because I have to be doing the sales and have to be trying to do my video and have to try to edit at the same time. But we're doing it and we're making it happen. I appreciate you guys all the time. Like I said, comment, like, subscribe. Does wonders